are genetic factors causing your anovulation and affecting fertility. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine where every part has a role. Sometimes, tiny changes in your genes can throw this system off balance, making it harder to ovulate and conceive. That's where genetics come into play. Anovulation means your ovaries don't release an egg during your menstrual cycle. While hormones like luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating hormone usually control this process, genes influence how these hormones work. If there are genetic issues, they can interfere with hormone production or how your ovaries respond to signals. One common genetic cause linked to anovulation is polycystic ovary syndrome. This condition often runs in families and involves genes that affect hormone regulation. Women with polycystic ovary syndrome tend to have higher levels of male hormones called androgens, which can prevent eggs from maturing properly. Another genetic factor is premature ovarian insufficiency. This is when the ovaries stop working earlier than usual, often before age 40. Mutations in genes like STAG3, which help with chromosome division during egg formation, have been found in women with this condition. These mutations can cause early loss of ovarian function, leading to no ovulation. Chromosomal abnormalities also play a role. For example, Turner's syndrome involves missing or altered X chromosomes, which causes the ovaries to fail early. Other chromosomal issues, like translocations or deletions, can disrupt normal ovarian development and function. Certain gene variants affect hormone receptors. For instance, changes in the follicle-stimulating hormone receptor gene can make the ovaries less responsive to signals that trigger ovulation. This can lead to irregular or absent ovulation cycles. Research shows that dozens of genetic variants are linked to fertility problems and ovulatory issues. This means genetics can be a significant factor for some women struggling with infertility. Knowing if genetics are involved can help guide your fertility plan. Genetic testing can identify specific issues, which can influence treatment options. For example, women with genetic ovarian failure might need assisted reproductive technologies like in vitro fertilization with donor eggs. Understanding your genetic background can also help with counseling about your chances of conceiving and what options are available. Keep in mind that lifestyle factors like stress, diet, and body weight also affect ovulation. Sometimes, changing these can improve your chances of ovulating regularly. In summary, genetic factors can disrupt the hormonal and cellular processes needed for ovulation. Recognizing these factors is an important step when preparing for pregnancy. It allows for more targeted approaches to treatment and helps set realistic expectations about fertility.